Whoa, yeah. If you look to the right of that tree right there, you can see the birds feeding. I dumped. I had a completely filled bird feeder, and I dumped the seed there and on the other side of that bush, and they've really been eating it up, and they're even eating in the rain. And I mean, it is raining. This has come up even more. I didn't get any sandbags from my door because I really didn't expect this much. So if we keep getting these kind of rain bands, they'll have to get somebody out here to suck water out of my carpet. The drainage ditch is backed up, overflowing, and might reach those people's sliding doors.